Hello, I am Basuraju S. Sir, Assistant Professor of English, GFGC, Hosturga. It is a video class for BA Optional English, 5th semester, Modern Indian Literature in English. Session number 46, topic Explanation of the significance of songs in the play. Silence. The court is in session by Vijay Tendolkar, Marathi playwright. Basically, in Marathi, the title of the play Shantata, the court chalu hai. Recap. There is a social exploitation, discrimination, and partiality towards women. The playwright Vijay Tendolkar exposed the hollowness of the middle class society. Lesson overview and objectives. It is to make the students to understand the significance of songs and poems in the present play. Learning outcome. Students will be equipped with the maintenance of a peace of mind and by singing the songs and poems. Contents. The song is an expression of Benari's teenage love to her uncle. Then the song gives us some glimpses of Benari's past life. Then Miss Leela Benare recites the Marathi poem by Mrs. Sirish Pai. Then the parrot song appears both in the first act and in the third act. Assignments, MCQs, reference. Bring out the significance of songs and poems in Tendolkar's Silence, the Court is in Session. In the first act, Benare sings an English song to herself. The song is an expression of her teenage love to her maternal uncle. Her sweetest songs tell her that he likes her looks and wants to marry her. But her mother says that she is too little to have such thoughts. This song gives us some glimpses of Benare's past life. The song is an expression of her teenage love to her maternal uncle. Benare sings an English song to herself in the first act. Though Benare is very much worried about her personal problems with the management and her personal predicament. She then recites the Marathi poem by Mrs. Sirish Pai. Benare exchanges very witty remarks and jokes with her co-artists. She sings many songs. She recites poems and even offers to tell many more stories to her co-artists. Her sweetest song tells us of her saddest thoughts. She then recites a Marathi poem by Mrs. Sirish Pai. This poem tells us of her utter defeat that is stored for man in the battle of life. Man is made to travel through dangerous pathways. The poem sums up the futile life of man. More so, it fits the life of Miss Leela Benare, a woman whose life is full of pain and sorrow. This poem provides the key to Miss Leela Benare's dejection with life in her soliloquy in the final act of the play. Tendolkar says that he got the hints for developing his heroine Miss Leela Benare. Her song gives us some glimpses of Benare's sorrowful past life. Her sweetheart tells us that she likes her looks and wants to marry her. The parrot song appears both in the first act and in the final act. The parrot song appears both in first act and final act of the play. The sparrow has lost its nest and tells about it to the parrot. It tells the brother crow and asks him who has stolen its nest. The crow says that it doesn't know and it is the least concerned about its troubles. The poem is a fitting finale to the play as Miss Leela Benare is haunted and hunted by her immediate colleagues. Benare recites many more poems, Marathi poems by Mrs. Sirish Pai. So, the poem, her poem tells us of her defeat that is secretly stored for man in the battle of life. The poem provides us the key to Miss Leela Benare's dejection with life in her soliloquies in the final act of the play. Assignments. Write about the significance of the songs and poems in the play. How is Miss Leela Benare's rejection with life revealed in her songs and poems in the play? MCQs. In what language does Tendolkar write his plays? Option A, English, B, Hindi, C, Marathi, D, Tamil. The right answer, Marathi. Second question. How many poems or songs have been included in the play? Option A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, D, 2. Answer is A, 3. Who is the author of the poem recited by Benare in Act 1? A. Torudat, B. Mrs. Sirish Pai, C. Dorwala, D. Nizim Ezekiel. Right answer B. Mrs. Sirish Pai. Fourth question. On what book do the witnesses in the trial of Miss Leela Benare take their oath? Option A, the Bible. B, the Oxford English Dictionary. C, the Bhagavad Gita. D, the Quran. Answer is B, the Oxford English Dictionary. Last question, fifth. Dash is a book that goes ripping into pieces. Option A, world. B, society. C, life. D, option, ambition. Right answer C, life. Reference. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Nanda.